Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Mike in Canada with a 93 SL 500 SL rather. It's going to be a little longer video, I guess, because I have to cover a few things. Okay, so Mike, you saw a previous video I sent you about your throttle body, your Egas module. I showed the throttle situation, that the throttle is actually really nice. This throttle is a replacement unit. It was produced in 2001, if camera focuses, and actually it's 01 over here. You cannot probably see it. Let me shut the flash off. Okay, 01. I'm just repeating myself because I want to just encompass everything what was done. So right now this is basically going to be pretty much final video, so I want to get everything covered. So throttle body cleaned up in and out, checked it out, everything's perfectly fine. It's a really nice unit, as you can see. Even the connection for the PCV system is perfectly shiny. It's a nice unit. So throttle body, have no questions about it. Egas module. Now you have your Egas module that was wrong. This is a 124 chassis, so it was not correct to the vehicle. I did open it up just to see what's going on, just for the hell of it, because you know it's dead anyway. So just wanted to see what I could do. But checking the module out, internals and everything, I spent a little bit of time, but I did not want to go crazy. I checked a few things, and I did check the power board. This board right here, this is the one that actually controls activations of processors. I resoldered, reflowed all the connections, at least on this board. This board I didn't do, but most likely the problem with this module are one of these boards. Okay, so forget about that. That's not the solution, because these boards are for E-Class. Then they're not going, I mean, they will work in your car, but that's not the same as SL. Okay, SL V8 5.0, this is E420 4.2. so the angles of the throttle opening, idle speed, through cruise control, diagnostics, everything goes pretty much away if you use this module. It will work for test purposes, yeah, okay, that you can use, but 124 part number is not supposed to be installed in 129 chassis vehicle. Alright, so let's just put it away. Now this is what I have for you. The Egas I have here, used module 129 545 0832. This is 129 94 500 SL 500. Just to show that it is actually powering up your throttle. I have few modules powering up like some other throttles there. So this is the connector right here. Actually same connector I use for V12, it's just different pinouts. Let's see, just separate them. I just wanted to separate them. Here we are. Okay, so now here is a separated computers. Okay, here is the computer, here are the wires. You can see right here, follow down, connect to your throttle body. Okay, so this is what's powering your throttle body. This module powers your throttle body. This module powers up this throttle body. I mean, I just, you know, testing somebody else's, but I'm just saying. So just so you know, this is the module that's working your throttle body. Let's take a look at temperatures. This module has been on for quite a little bit. It's not gonna get as hot as the throttle body, so we're looking at, like, you see in the peak 75 degrees. Now this is the cold module. Cold module, I don't know why it's so hot actually. Cold module, I spoke too soon, I guess. Let's see. Oh, that's more like it. 66, yes. So that's, oh, it was on hold. The battery is dying too, as you can see the battery. You need to change the battery on this. So 66 on this one, 77 on the one that if you want to, I can sell you this one. So let's see, as you can see, that's the difference. The throttle body itself, temperature around like 90, no, we get like above 90 as a peak. So both of them had been working out for quite a little bit of time. Confirmation of the module, because you can have different case, but the module could be any module that you would just put in it. So this is the proper module. As you can see, 129-545-0832, and same here, 129-545-0832. So whatever's in this case is the module that the board is the same as the case says. Otherwise, I've seen these kind of crazy things people do. They just put another board into the case that is totally from different car. I mean, it's crazy stuff. So this is the right stuff. I mean, the only way to find out which board you have inside this case is to connect to diagnostic computer, diagnostic equipment. I cleared all the codes out of this, so we got no codes in it. And then now let's look at the actual values. I don't care for this first screen because this is when the car is in motion, doesn't matter. We just need to see potentiometer values and the voltages from potentiometers. That's important because every time lever moves, voltages change. So that's what we want to see. So let's just slow it down and let's just go put it on idle, and our voltages are going to change. 4.21, 0.48. Okay, so this is the cell, I guess, because usually I test it on C-class module. C-class is 4.24. Again, different modules, different voltages. The top voltage is going to differ. This one is also going to differ based on the throttle body, but this one has more of the range versus the one on top, because that is the specific angle of the plate. So if you're gonna have, let's say, E-class E320 or S320 Egas module in your SL500, then that voltage will be different, and therefore the idle speed is going to be also different, because that is very important. Even though there's a couple of just very little of the voltage drop, but that is not, it's very sensitive. The engine is going to feel it, so you're gonna have difference in idle speed. So this is the proper voltage from SL500 module, 4.21, 0.48. Now the objective here is to actually show that voltages change. So we just open the throttle just a little bit, and we want to see those voltages change. So we do see voltage change. Another thing that I need to add into this is that the SL W140, all of those eGas modules do not let throttles to open all the way. As you can see, if I press the throttle plate all the way, it doesn't open all the way. It's about 3/4 open. That is made not to overrev the engine or when you start the engine. So that's the thing. For example, this is the C-class, and with the C-class module, I can open throttle 90 degree, full throttle opening. That's a C-class module. It's different. So all of these modules are different. There's nothing wrong with the throttle. As you can see, here we have a total dead stop. As you can see, total dead stop. Nothing is happening. But if we look at the readings on the computer, specifically on the 07, the secondary reading, if I move the linkage, the reading will change. As you can see, it does change. So computer sees the change. It does see the voltages difference, but it will still not open the throttle all the way, because again, for over-rev protection, the engine is cold. You're gonna floor the pedals, start it up, it's going to over-rev to red line. You still don't have enough oil circulation, so therefore they built that protection into V8s. I don't know why they didn't do it in 6 cylinders, to be honest with you, because you can successfully kill that engine too. Specifically if you say have very thick oil and you start the car in sub-zero temperatures, obviously you have not enough oil going through, so you can spin your bearings and whatever. But that's what they did. See, this is C-class. The reason why I use C-class on my bench test, I just want to show my customers that their throttle's open all the way. Man, I think I talk too much. I mean, but I just, like I said, I just want to cover up everything in this video. So just because this throttle and eGas module, I have them for so long, and I just want to pack it up and mail them, because it's been a while. Also, for some reasons that I did not research, I didn't go deep into it, The contact switches on S-Class and SLs, they don't change. As the E-Class, not E-Class, C-Class, I'm sorry, 202 chassis. Here it is, 202 545 0132. In this one, if I were to connect my diagnostic to it, I will see the change in micro switches. That is another reason why I use C-Class module for the bench test, to show the full operation. But it doesn't matter for the S-Class on SL, so it doesn't matter. They don't read it, they don't need it. They're just like, it is what it is. So I think I covered everything. I know it was a long video, it's a lot of talking and a lot of things, a lot of information that's probably irrelevant, but I just still wanted to get it off my chest, just to make sure that I'm sending the combination, it goes over, you know, across the border. So I want to make sure that everything is covered. Throttle, perfect. Unit, great. Egas module works. Again, this is the used module. I cannot guarantee it for 20 years. It is what it is. I just had it, I bought it, it worked, and I kept it. So that's what I can sell. So if you're interested, totally fine. If you want to buy your own Egas, totally fine. I can just charge for the setup, like the check-in, for the checkups and everything. But other than that, I think we're in good shape. I mean, everything works, and you know, this combination works. So I can basically be ready to mail these out. I want to just cover up, you know, close up all my, you know, all my setups here. Just want to get these things mailed out to the end of the year. So just want to, and cars, I have like 4 cars that I have to give out back to customers. Pretty much all of them are done. All right, Mike, so again, I'm sorry for the long video, but I haven't talked to you in a while, so therefore I just need to get this situation covered, and that's basically going to be all. Okay, this is Victor at historymercedes.com. Thank you for watching.